Nestled amidst the paradise that is Assam, only 136 kilometers from the capital city of Guwahati, on the banks of the mighty Brahmaputra, lies the sacred hills of Surya Pahar. An archaeological wonder, it is a historical site dating back to the reign of King Bhaskar Varman, which has also been documented by Huan Sang on his travels. Surya Pahar is a confluence of three prominent religions of India, merging Hinduism, Buddhism and Jainism in perfect divinity. The myriad sculptures and antique relics belonging to different religious beliefs bear testimony to the tolerance and communal harmony of Assam. One of the most astounding sights here is the presence of thousands of ancient stone carvings of Shiva Lingas. It is said Vyasdeva engraved 99,999 Shiva Lingas here in order to build a second Kashi which has 1 lakh lingas. Along with a series of votive Buddhist stupas, sculptures associated with Jain religious beliefs are also found engraved on the rocks and inside caves here. The beautiful Sun Temple of Surya Pahar is one of the lesser known sun temples in the country. The water inside some of the temples are believed to be the waters of Akash Ganga falling from the locks of Lord Shiva and having medicinal properties with the power to cure certain diseases. Within the temple complex, an ancient water channel approximately 60 kilometers long, known as the Ganesh Kund, is also found. Surya Pahar is a wonderful reminder that the peaceful coexistence of different religious beliefs is not only possible, but can also dynamically thrive. This exotic ecological hub, spread over vast areas of lush green, is only an example of the many unexplored sites in Assam and is a rare gem waiting to be discovered.